Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn dividing fractions by fractions together, step by step. Dividing fractions asks a fun question. How many of the second fraction fit inside the first? When we do 1/2 divided by 1/4, we're really asking how many 1/4ths fit inside 1/2. Here's the magic trick. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction exactly as it is. Change the divide sign into a multiply sign. Then flip the second fraction upside down. That flipped fraction is called the reciprocal. After you flip, just multiply across. Multiply the top numbers together, then the bottom numbers together. 1/2 times 4/1 gives 4 on top and 2 on the bottom. Then simplify if you can. Let's finish it. 1/2 divided by 1/4. Keep 1/2 changed to times, flip 1/4 into 4/1. Multiply to get 4/2, which equals 2. And yes, exactly 2 1/4ths fit inside 1/2. So to divide fractions, keep the first, change divide to multiply, and flip the second. Then multiply across and simplify. Keep, change, flip. Say it 3 times and you'll never forget it. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.